Perhaps something a little more casual would be better?
Okay, how about Dear Fatty? Dear Santa Claus, I know you are a busy man. I don't want to waste your time thinking about toys I might like. Make it easy on yourself. This year, just bring me money. Preferably 10s and 20s.